What is good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another trade recap. Today is the 22nd of April, Wednesday. So we're gonna be looking at the trade that I took today, and all-time highs are really not being good. Either way, let's just get through the trade recap and I'll show you that what I could have really done better because I believe there is way too much that I could have done better today. Now, excuse my voice because I have some flu going on, but we move. I mean, every single time I have to work. Who cares if you're sick? Now, I'm obviously going to be charting on NQ from now on. Well, entering and executions will be done on MNQ. So if you're not happy with that, you gotta leave. But I think who hates that? Either way, NQ has been, quite consistent and looking quite good, better than MNQ. So, I mean, I don't know why MNQ has been having some like random wicks and stuff. Either way, so let me show you the analysis I had going into the day. Where is 9:30? It's right here. So right before open. So when you check this chart, you can see that we were already at all-time highs. We're currently pushing higher. And if you check closely and zoom this in right here, we had these relatively equal lows here, and these were a very good draw. Like maybe price runs them, then displace higher, or we just displace higher, then look for an entry in somewhere these areas here. So going to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that we had this huge ass wick, but we still haven't run these relatively close. So I was just waiting to see what price is about to do. Then look at what we get here at around 9:33, where like around here 9:33. You get like a very good inverse of these gaps here, but we are not displacing from any fair value gap, so I genuinely wouldn't take this kind of trade here. So we wait again, then you can see we create more liquidity here because this low here wasn't taken edged. So if you check the 5 minute, we're actually building up a fair value gap around here. I don't know why this thing keeps moving. Now we can see that we have a very beautiful fair value gap right here. Now if we go down to the 1 minute again and did say retracement into this 5 minute, then we try some shorts towards the relatively equal lows, which was honestly absurd that we didn't get those lows delivered to. So you can see we tap into the 5 minute and then we go a little bit higher again, leaving behind this small fair value gap, which will later be the inversion. So next candle, next candle, next candle, and then we also get another fair value gap around here inside that 5 minute. Then next candle, boom, we drop like this. So this is where I was thinking maybe you can just take 1 to 1, have my stop here, target the relatively equal lows here, then have my break even level at these lows here, and it honestly would have worked out if I had trailed to break even. So you can see we had around like 30 points stop. We can do like 1 mini here, then take profit at this low here. You can see it's a basic 1 to 1. So next candle, boom. So look at how good we're displacing lower. Then we edge take profit by how many points? By 5 points. Obviously, because we hit the break-even level, then I will be trailing, and you can see that the break-even level gets hit right away. You can see we get stopped out right away. Uh, yeah. So yeah, get stopped out at break even. Very unfortunate. I mean, why would Bruce be doing us like this, man? And there were even more draws, more than like this relatively close. You could have like had also this target here, London low. It would have been like 2 hour or something. Yes, you can see it would have been a 2 hour as well. So it's absurd. It's absurd. But as long as, we just acknowledge that this was a very crazy trade, very crazy markets that we're trading nowadays, it's totally fine. Now, there were maybe other possible entries, but I didn't bother because it was very, very choppy, and the fact that we weren't hitting any draws on liquidity was so stupid. So, I mean, that was just all for the day. So, see you all tomorrow or tomorrow about one, any other day that I'll take a trade. Have a great time. Stay blessed. Peace. What are you still doing here?